What tool do you use to measure angles? We use tools like rulers, meter sticks, tape measures to measure length, scales to measure weight, cups and pints to measure liquid. But how do you measure an angle? Let's first talk about what an angle is. We know that from this center of the circle to any point or spot in this circle, it's going to be the same length or distance away. So when we have an angle is measuring these two parts of a circle's rotation. We can't use something like a ruler to measure that because it's not a straight line. So how would we measure it? We would use something called a protractor, and a protractor looks like this. A protractor has different properties, and a lot of protractors look different from each other. Let's look at this one in particular. I notice that it starts here at 0 on this end, and it goes all the way to 180. That's because a straight line is 180 degrees. And if I were to line up a straight line at the bottom here, it would measure 180 degrees. But what's unique about this protractor is that it also starts at 0 on this end, but on the bottom. And again, all the way around, it goes to 180. That's so that I can measure any angle with this one protractor. It doesn't matter if the angle is going this way or if the angle is going this way. I can use this protractor to measure any angle. I also noticed that the 90 degrees is up here, right on top of this circle and arrow. That's important because when we do get ready to measure an angle, we're going to want to measure or line up the vertex right here. And if it was a right angle, it would go straight up, measuring 90 degrees. So these numbers here would tell us exactly what is the measurement of the angle. These are the different properties of a protractor. And now we know that we use a protractor to measure angles.